guys, welcome back to my channel. Mikachuu back and I come with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Because you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? And today I'm here to show you guys how to do a Baddie intro, but I ain't gonna hold y'all guys for. Let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys the picture that I selected in my gallery. I already used the eraser app to delete the background, and you will see how that turned out, you know, probably in the video. Alright, so what I did first was went inside photo math and I selected the same one video I'm going to be using, and I selected 3 times. You know, I fixed it up to my liking. And this one will look a little something like this. I saved it, went into iMovie, and I zoomed in to my liking. Saved that, and then went to CapCut. Once I got the CapCut, I select the new project. That's when I choose the video I just made. And that's when you go to effect, then video effect, and then you go to basics, and then you hit just blur close. Now that I chosen blur close, I just lined that up with the original video that I made. Then I went to add layer. That's when I chose the black picture, and I had, you know, matched it inside with the original video that I made. I had went to capacity, and I just brought the density down to, like, you know, 60 something, 61. After I had lined that up, I had add overlay, got a picture from my gallery, which is a Nicki Minaj picture. You know, I had to line that up again with the original video I had. Then I clicked on animation, and I chose combo. And then, you know, I had to line that up with the original that I had, the original video I had the first time. Then I had chose another picture. So when you choose another picture, make sure you add overlay. And that's when I had went to animation. Once you line your video up, just remember that you can always choose animation, and then you choose either in or out or combo. It's just how you want the beginning of your video to look, or how you want the ending part of your video to look, or the combo is like how you want your video to look overall. So you'll see me do that more and more in the video. Now this part, I had chose a video of Nicki Minaj instead of a picture, and I had cropped it out so that way it can fit inside the little phone screen that I will be showing you guys. Now what I did was went to Google, and that's when I had looked up an iPhone, and that's when I said iPhone PNG or transparent iPhone, and went inside the eraser app and just erased the background. Saved it, went back into the app CapCut, and then that's when I used the phone and I measured it to the Nicki Minaj video that I will be using. Same thing with the phone. I had used the eraser app and erased the background. Saved that, went to Fonto, and I chose any picture size, but the background I had chose black so that way it appear on my video. And I chose Nicki Minaj's name. Well, I had wrote her name, I'm sorry. And you could choose any font. I had chose that one, and I had added the Instagram logo. Saved it. Once I had saved that, I had went back to the erase app, and that's when I had just erased the background. Now that I got her name, I had went back to CapCut and I had add overlay. That's when I had dragged her name down, lined it up with the whole video, and I had chosen my own animation of how I want her name to pop up in my video, and you'll see that further on in the video. I had saved that. That's when I went into app Vita. I went to frame, and then you'll see a little video camcorder thing that will appear on my video. And I had chose that, lined that up with my original video, saved that. Now this is the second part of the video, and all I will be doing is repeating the process, but you can choose your own way how you can do it. You can start with a video first or start with a picture, you know, switch it up to your liking.
boy, you throw up. Peace, I ain't here. You don't want that action, pull your card, you.
Now this part, all I did, I just tapped on layers so that way with Nicki Minaj with the hot pink on, she won't be like over my phone. So I just scoot her in the back of the phone so that way it can bring the iPhone picture video up some, if you get what I'm saying. That's when I just saved it. And this, I don't have Nicki Minaj Instagram on my phone, so I just went to Google and I had screen recorded her page and I just tilted to the side a little bit, and it'll look a little something like this. For this part, all I did was change the pace of the video. I had hit speed. That's when I had hit normal. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, run this video up, and I'll make a part 2. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notifications so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Because if you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing?
Okay, bye.